How it's going? Today I will be showing you how to use the filter method on arrays in JavaScript. So filter allows you to remove elements from an array if it does not pass a certain condition that you define. So for example, if we define an array called numbers and 1 2 3 4 5 6 and we want to remove all the odd numbers from this array and keep the even number, we can do that using filter. We can define a new function called even numbers. This will be equals to numbers dot filter. So with filter you need to pass in a callback function. So function, this function will take one parameter being the elements you are currently on the array. So write down in for number. Now in the function body we want to return an expression that will evaluate to true or false. So we want to test if the number is even. To do that we can just return in n mod 2 equal 0. So if a number mod 2 is 0, then it's even. So we're returning the expression n mod 2 equals 0. This will be either true or false. If it's true, then the number will stay in the array, and if it's false, then the number will be removed from the array. So now if we look at the even numbers, we should see our result. If we refresh, then we see 2 4 6. We can also swap it around and like out odd numbers, put an expression mark in front of the expression and wrapping it inside a parenthesis, and this will basically just not be condition, so stop and around. And if we refresh, find 1 3 5, that is odd number. Now in ES6 you can also shorten to an arrow function. We can instead write down in and n mod 2 equal 0, and that will produce the same result with the even number. So we can refresh and see 2 4 and 6, and that is how we use the filter method on arrays in JavaScript. Thank you for watching. See you later.